ねえ、出張の旅費精算ってどうやるの？
営業部の共有フォルダー内にありますよ。
ありがとう。
どういたしまして。
嘘！お先に失礼します。
Standardization is a process every business should engage in. We closely observe the client site and conduct interviews to understand the client's business. However, there are always barriers of time and cost. BPM is business standardization that utilizes ICT. We provide support through every step until an optimized solution is found. First, eye tracking is used to visualize a workman's techniques. The workman's unconscious line of sight is digitized. Next, in the case that you want to automate indirect white-collar operations, RPA is the optimal solution. If it's a routine task, then there is no longer any need for a person to operate a computer. After going to the trouble of making a manual, it may often end up unused. Difficulty of searching through the material is a common issue. In the case of a chatbot, it's possible to get the answer you're looking for when you want it. This is a business standardization solution utilizing ICT that has never existed before.